Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is finally soup season, y'all. So we about to be doing a whole bunch of soups, and I'm doing it a little early this year so that y'all can have some time to actually enjoy the soup when it's soup time, okay? Today we're making like a creamy ditalini soup. First time making it, y'all, but not the first time using all these same ingredients. The only thing different, y'all, is the pasta. That's it. This is the Ditalini Pasta. They small little circles. This what we using, y'all. That's what make it Ditalini Pasta, alright? Before we get started, though, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. It is linked below digitally. Without further ado, y'all, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you.
Alright, y'all, so we're going to add a little oil to this and make sure the pan is super hot. Then we're just going to add our Italian sausage, y'all. This is about, how much is this? 1 pound. Use them as much as you like, really. After it's just about browned enough, you can add your onion. Y'all can add shallot or onion, whichever one you prefer. I'll add an onion. I like to cook my onions in a little bit before I add my garlic, so that the garlic don't burn. Now I'm going to add this garlic. It's about 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to get ready to add my vegetables in. Okay, y'all, so we're going to season it. We have some onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, cayenne pepper, red chili flake, just a little bit of that. Black pepper. You could use a little bit of chili powder if you want to, but it's totally up to y'all. We're going to add 1 can of crushed tomatoes or diced tomatoes, whichever y'all prefer. This is about 15 ounces. We're going to add this whole 32 ounces of chicken broth, and then if we need some more, y'all can just add a little water. We're going to see where we at. We're going to add our bay leaves. I'm not sure if I'm going to add this whole thing of pasta, y'all. It might be too much. Let me see. I didn't use the whole thing, y'all. It's too much. Alright, we're going to add some fresh parsley. Y'all can use dried parsley if you want. We're just going to use some fresh. Make sure y'all preserve some for garnish at the end. Always make sure nothing down there is sticking or stuck. Okay. Now, we're going to let this cook for 15 minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients in. All right, so it has been about 15 minutes. We're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. First, always want to make sure nothing is sticking or stuck. Okay. Now we're gonna add about 4 ounces of cream cheese, or a half a block of cream cheese. That'd be about a handful of baby spinach or more, whatever you like. I already know this spinach gonna be done in 2.2 seconds. Once that is done, y'all, this meal is pretty much done. This only took us like 30 minutes, y'all. 15 minutes to cook, 15 minutes to put it together. One, two, you want to go ahead and start removing the bay leaves so y'all don't eat that. Whenever I find the other one, I'll take it out. Now we're just gonna add some Parmesan. Y'all can use fresh, whatever you like. So this is where you want to go ahead and turn the heat down pretty much all the way to low, or off if even, because this is done. Oh, there go the other one. Add a little bit of heavy cream. We're gonna let that block of cream cheese go ahead and melt in there. It was already at room temperature, so it shouldn't take long. Alright, so this is done. We're gonna just go ahead and plate it. Then we're gonna use some of that parsley that we preserved. A little bit of pepper flakes. That's optional, y'all know that. Parsley is too, really. Then we're gonna add some fresh cheese on top. All right, y'all, so this is how it came out. Super, super flavorful. We didn't add much seasonings, but that sausage, onions, and garlic gonna do it every time. Don't forget the grocery list is in this description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.